Daddy, I'm bored. Here. So what do you want to do? I want to play a game. What game? On a phone? Okay. I'll go get you what you want. Okay? I'll go get you a phone, okay? Okay, Daddy. You want to watch YouTube? Yeah. Okay, I'll go get my phone. Alright, I got my phone right here. Now let's get in the password. You can't see it. Alright, so let's see. Okay. Oh God. Whew. My phone doesn't have YouTube. Oh, good thing I can never delete App Store. And why? How do you spell you? Oh, there we go. Wait, I'm an idiot. I could just push Y. Monkey, it's loading. I don't know why it's taking forever. Oh, there we go. Oh, is this the one that you want? Yeah, I do. Okay. I downloaded it. Oh, frick. I gotta do the password. I'll go do the password. iTunes Store. Here, I'll go do it. Okay? And I'll even buy a game. Or something. I'll just sit on the couch with you while the magical guy goes brings it to his mom. Oh, sweet. Donna? Alright, thank you. You're welcome. Alright, let's go into the plane. Yeah, do it. Because I don't want to hear your stupid videos. What should I watch on YouTube? What should I watch? Cable 10? Tornadoes. What should I watch? Fishing? No, I hate fishing. I don't know what to watch. What should I watch? Let's search something. Oh, we already got some stuff. What is it? What should we do? Popular MMOs? Well, yeah, plays Minecraft. Sweet, yes. Which one should I watch though? Which one should I watch? I should watch. Which one should I watch? We really got nothing here. I'll watch this one. Alright, I've never seen this one.
The QuickBooks Self-Employed app allows me to take a photo of my receipts.
Let's skip this ad.
What's up, dudes? It's Pat, and welcome back to the Challenge Games.
Hey guys!
So today we are doing it once again. We are fighting another Titan.
Wait, so I
Titan? What's a Titan?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what's a
Alright,
Titan.
back to me spawning again. Don't worry.
What's a Titan?
So,
Which one is it?
Alright, so this is like next level stuff.
Next
This
level,
one, I want
son.
you to guess. You have one guess at what it possibly could be.
Okay.
Possibly could be. How long is
It's
this?
black.
25 minutes? Why
It's
did I even
actually
push this?
an Enderman.
Oh.
But you would have gotten it wrong anyway because this one is not called the Ender Titan.
This is annoying. Ugh.
Colossus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why is it so loud? Oh, that was my jam.
So
Oh.
here, guys, this is what we got for a sponge, a block of emerald. So this is the worst weapon, but before we go,
Looking
great.
nice.
I this kid I'm killing. So far with this
Why?
epicness. Ooh, an
Keep
impact.
getting
I don't want to
fast.
skip this all. Ah.
Alright, don't worry.
Any emeralds?
No, but I've done.
I skipped it. Oh, no, not the NTDM. Oh my god, this is the worst YouTuber in the world. Who's Heroic TV? I want to watch Heroic TV. No, they're probably idiots. I don't know what to watch on YouTube. Well, you know what? Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's me, Monkey, talking. And in the next video, a gameplay Five Nights at Freddy's 2 is happening. Yes, you get to see Mango, you get to see the marionette, you get to see Toy Freddy, you get to see Toy Bonnie, you get to see Toy Chica, you get to see everybody. And peace out. Bye.